Welcome to AI Snippets. Please feel free to jump to a timestamp to listen to the snippet of your choice. Also like, share and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss important AI news. Researchers at Claremont Graduate University have undertaken a groundbreaking study in which they are instructing artificial intelligence in the art of creating popular and catchy songs. They have successfully developed an advanced machine learning model with an impressive accuracy rate of 97%, capable of predicting hit songs by analyzing brain signals of listeners. If further refined, this remarkable achievement could potentially revolutionize streaming services, enabling them to act as DJs by accurately tailoring music selections to suit our individual moods and preferences. Introducing Google's newest AI enhancement, Help Me Organize, which is now being introduced in Google Sheets. This innovative feature, called Duet AI, has the capability to generate intelligent table templates with the goal of simplifying complex tracking responsibilities. Simply provide a prompt, and voila! You'll have a customizable table at your disposal, streamlining your tasks and alleviating your concerns. The release of this feature is currently being gradually rolled out to Google's trusted testers participating in the Workspace Labs program. Why bother with the intricacies of organization when AI can handle the heavy lifting for you? Through a collaborative effort, LinkedIn and UC Berkeley have joined forces to develop an exceptionally accurate deepfake detection system, achieving an impressive accuracy rate of 99.6% specifically for profile photos. This achievement was made possible by leveraging a distinct geometric characteristic found in AI-generated faces. The detection method was trained using a dataset consisting of 41,500 synthetic images and 100,000 genuine LinkedIn profile pictures. It demonstrates exceptional performance when detecting deepfakes created using StyleGAN, although it may encounter challenges when confronted with cropping attacks. In a time where deepfake deception poses a significant threat, this accomplishment marks a promising stride towards fostering safer digital communities. If you like this content, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon to be instantly notified of regular updates. Thanks for watching.